Here is how to insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Start by opening up the S25 Ultra's box, and you should see this leaflet, and inside of this leaflet there will be the SIM ejector tool. If you don't have the box, you can use a paper clip or pin. Now at the bottom of the S25 Ultra, to the right of the charging port, this outline in a hole is the SIM card tray. So insert the thin end of your SIM ejector tool into the hole of the tray, and then push down and release once the SIM card tray has partially ejected from the phone. Use your nail to release the SIM card tray. In order to insert that SIM card, match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge in the SIM card tray, and then push the SIM card into position. If you have dual SIM model, you can flip the tray over and there will be a SIM2 slot where you can insert the second SIM card. To place the tray back in, just match the hole of the S25 Ultra with the hole of the tray, and then push the SIM card back down and click into paste. Two things to note: if your phone isn't recognizing the SIM card, just give this yellow contact a good rub with a t-shirt or jumper. If you don't have dual SIM, you need to buy Unlock from Samsung.com, and not all regions will support that option, so you may need to set up eSIM, and I'll leave an eSIM video in the description.